Hello guys, and welcome to another WizardWatch video. Today we are going to show you how to replace a rotor in your Seiko NH35 movement. This is a customized rotor what I have here that the artist did to me. You will find more info about the artist in the description below. So before we start, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and turn your notifications on, then you can get the future updates about upcoming videos. So let's start. I will show you first the tools that we will need, and then we will start replacing the rotor. So this is the tools. We will need here a case holder. This is a case back opener. This is something very cheap. You can find better tools in eBay or AliExpress. We will need also a piece of wood, tweezers, silicone lubrication for the gasket inside the case back, and some compressed air. You can use this, or you can use compressed air from a Canon, whatever you want to choose. This is your you can decide. And here we have the customized rotor, and also you will need a jewelry stand and of course gloves to keep everything clean with no fingerprints or something like this. So let's start. Now let's open the case back. Right now I'm tightening the screw and see if the watch sitting tight on the case, that I will have good grip to open it. Okay, I think it's good. Now here our case back opener. We'll try to do it best in front of the camera because I also need to see what I'm doing. Need to open it a little bit. Okay, we open it. For this thing you can have a balloon or something like this, you know, to open the case more freely, but in this case I don't have, so I will still open it with the case opener. Now I think it's enough. Let's release it. I'll have to remove one glove for that. And here we open the case. Very nice. Now let's take the gasket off too. Because we will want to lubricate it after we will finish everything. Now here are the rotor, the customized rotor. Try not to touch it with your hands because then you can leave fingerprints. And here are the rotor. Take it off. Now I will bring the camera closer that you guys can see everything better. Okay, and here are customized rotor. Check this out. Very nice. I really like it. And for that job also, I forgot to mention, we will need a small, very small, a micro screwdriver, flat one, you know, to open the rotor, and make sure it's snagged well and sit well on the rotor, because if not, you can then scratch it, or you know, can do something worse. So let's start. And I open it. See, now it's popped out. Be careful not to touch this area, very important. And we remove the old rotor. Now let's take the new one. Make sure it's in place, on the right place. Now let's close the screw. I'm removing right now one glove to have a better grip. Just need to tighten it a little bit, not that much. And here is the new rotor. Now let's make sure everything is on the right place. And indeed, everything on the right place. As you see, both of these rotors are spinning, so it means everything on the right place. Okay, now we will lubricate the gasket and then we will close the case back. Okay, so now we will lubricate the gasket. Open this up, put the gasket inside. Now we need to close it, spin it a little bit, and that's enough. Now we'll put back the gasket in the case. Make sure the gasket is in the right place. Give it a little bit of pressure, you know, to bring it back inside. Okay. Now we can close the case back. Before that we must do some cleaning. So we take the air, you know, and make sure we don't have some dirt inside or some fingerprints or something like this. Also here. And now we can close it. Make sure it's in the right place. Now we can start closing it. You can put the watch now, you know, back again to the case holder and close it. And in this point I think it's enough, you know, to do it with your hands. And that's it. So, what do you guys say? Very nice in my opinion. Okay guys, so let me wrap this up. In this video I showed you how to change your rotor. As you saw, it's very simple job, very easy. If you have the right tools, you can even have better tools, and then this job will be much more easier. As you saw, this is the old one, the old rotor. It's nice, but now I have a very nice case back to my customized watch, the Marine Master mode that I did. I think now I complete the package. The only thing that left is to put, you know, a nice silicone strap, in my opinion, and then the watch will look killer. So the water cost me $35 or 30 euros. As I said, I will show you in the description below the artist that did this water, and if you want you can talk to him and he can make whatever you want. It's very cool. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.